What was that? She didn't bite him. Yeah. Give her his tail then. Just put it up to here. Look, Destiny. Dog. I want him. He looks fun. I love to preen his tail. That's all she wants, is to preen it. Oh. What a nasty girl. I want him. He makes like you. Oh, that's my finger. No, Shadow. Don't lick the camera. Come on, Destiny. Come see the bird. Doggy. Go see the doggy. Come on. She wants. Yep, she wants you. Come. She wants you. Destiny, come. Watch your watch. What a nasty bird. Now give her the tail again. Don't worry, no animals were harmed in the making of this film. Including Ariel. Okay, give her the tail now. Give her the tail. Just let her play with the tail hair. That's all she wants. Come. Come. She wants the tail. No. Tail. I want to preen him. Shadow, don't open your mouth. Thank you. Good boy. Look at this. Wait. Let's get a shot. No, she knows what she wants. No, she doesn't want your watch. She wants the tail. Give her the tail. She wants the watch.